Tired of losing your valuables? The Apple AirTag is here to change that, offering peace of mind like never before. With precision finding powered by Ultra Wideband technology, you can pinpoint your lost keys or wallet down to the exact foot, a feature truly unparalleled in other trackers. Setting up your AirTag is incredibly simple. A one-tap setup seamlessly connects it to your iPhone, making it ready to track in seconds. Don't stress about accidental spills or drops, because these AirTags are IP67 water and dust resistant, built to withstand daily adventures. It's not just a tracker, it's an extension of Apple's ecosystem, utilizing millions of Apple devices worldwide to help locate your items securely and privately. Whether you're tracking luggage, a backpack, or even your pet's collar, the AirTag offers incredible value for keeping your most important possessions safe. If you're ready to experience this peace of mind, grab your own Apple AirTag 4-pack today. Check out the link in the description for the best deals on Amazon. Compared to other Bluetooth trackers, the AirTag's blend of accuracy, ease of use, and robust build quality truly sets it apart as a premium solution. No more frantic searching or wasted time. Investing in an AirTag is investing in convenience and control over your belongings. For anyone looking for the best electronics tracker in 2025, the Apple AirTag is an absolute must-have. You won't regret this purchase.